Hello and welcome to the first week of the MOOC. Something we'd like you to understand within this course is the amazing process happening in the body which enables us to hear. This is something that we take for granted if we have hearing, as it just happens. But if something doesn't work right at any point in the process, this means that the system breaks down and creates a hearing loss for the individual. You're going to watch a fascinating video which we're going to use to show you the inner workings of the ear. The video will take you on a tour and you'll see sound beginning its journey starting from the outer ear. The sound waves hit the eardrum, causing movement on the three tiny bones called the malleus, incus and stapes behind the eardrum in the middle ear. The tiny bones move and push onto the oval window of the cochlea, which is in the inner ear. When you watch the video, you'll see the workings inside the cochlea to understand how this information is sent to the brain. It's important to recognise that it's actually within the brain where this process of hearing happens, as it's the brain which makes sense and meaning of these sounds, and not actually the inner ear, meaning that the individual's opportunity to hear is restricted. Now, this might be by the form of a blockage in the outer ear, such as earwax or insertion of a foreign object, or it might be a problem in the middle ear, such as glue ear, which prevents the three tiny bones from performing the necessary movement. Or the breakdown might occur in the cochlea, where there might be damage to the tiny hair cells. Depending on where the hearing loss occurs and the reason for the loss might be temporary, such as in the middle ear, because glue ear can be treated, or might be permanent, as in the case of damage within the cochlea. It's important to understand the reasons for hearing loss and the type of loss, as this gives the opportunity to understand treatment options. Although it's fully understood and appreciated that in much of the world, the opportunity for treatment might be limited by cost and availability. We'll go on to talk about this much more later in the MOOC, but for now, I'd like you to watch the next video and let you really think about this interesting process a little more.